In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear drawings from a board quickly and easily using ytai superserio.us. If you've added sketches, marks, or pen drawings and want to remove them one by one, this is the simplest way to clean up your board without any confusion. Whether you made a mistake, want to start fresh, or just need to delete a few leftover annotations, I'll walk you through the exact steps. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your board and find the drawing you want to remove. This method works best when you click directly on the drawing that was created with the pen tool. So take a moment to identify the exact mark, line, or sketch you want to clear. Once you've found it, click on the drawing to select it. You should see that it's highlighted or active, which means the board now knows which object you want to delete. If you have multiple drawings on the board, make sure you only select the one you want to remove first. After the drawing is selected, the fastest way to clear it is by pressing delete on your keyboard. This instantly removes the drawing from the board. It's quick, simple, and usually the easiest option if you're working on a computer. If you prefer using your mouse or trackpad, there's also another method. You can right-click the selected drawing and then choose delete from the menu. This is helpful if you don't want to use the keyboard or if you're working in an environment where the delete key isn't convenient. Now, if you still have more drawings that need to be removed, just repeat the same process. Click the next drawing, select it, and delete it the same way. You can continue doing this until the board is completely cleared of the sketches or annotations you no longer need. This makes it easy to clean up a board without affecting anything else on it. One thing to remember is that this process is for removing the actual drawing object, so make sure you have the correct item selected before deleting it. If you're working with several elements on the board, always double check before pressing delete so you don't remove something important by mistake. And that's it. You've now learned how to clear drawings from a board using a simple select and delete method. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to click, and it's a great way to keep your board organized and uncluttered. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.